Hey guys, how's it going? So something big happened, like humongous big. And what am I talking about? I'm talking about the very good food company announcing listing on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange. I think this is a huge deal. I think that you know, when this thing gets listed on the Frankfurt Exchange, we could see a surge in stock price movement, especially on this stock because it has such a tight share structure that I think it can easily be pushed up in Europe. Europe has way more money than Canada, like way more. The United States has the most money, but Europe has a lot more money than Canada. Canada is a small market. Europe is a big market, very big market, and the them listing on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange, I think, is a big deal. Unlike the MJ companies, people in Europe really believe in food products, especially healthy food products, especially plant-based food products. I think this Frankfurt Stock Exchange news is a huge deal, and I think that the stock price is going to get pushed up dramatically. So this news just came out on July 27th. That means that tonight, or maybe even it already got listed last night, but we'll see what happens tomorrow. Definitely pay attention to the European exchange and see the kind of volume they're getting from shareholders in Europe. But according to this article, the company's common shares are now cross-listed in the Canadian Security Exchange and the FSE under the symbol OSI. Since our initial listing in Canada, we have been fortunate to receive inquiries from investors internationally. The team has been moving quickly as possible to make our shares available to investors outside of Canada, and the Frankfurt listing is a key milestone in that process. The company believes that FSE listing will help increase trading liquidity and facilitate investments in the company by institutional billionaires, big money. Institutional is big money, and then there are some probably millionaire retail investors in Europe too. So I have a feeling that the stock price is going to move up in a significant way. We'll see what happens, but I'm very excited for this news. I'm hoping that the US exchange becomes next, and I hope that they skip the OTC and go directly onto the NASDAQ. I really do hope that, though. I don't know if European institutional investors are going to push the stock price to a price where they can list it on the NASDAQ. If that happens, oh, I'm so happy. I'm just happy, like crying happy if that was a scenario. So I do hope that, Europe is an exciting exchange, and I hope that institutional starts funneling money into this company. I hope so. I don't know if that'll be the scenario. We'll see what happens tomorrow, but definitely on my radar for tomorrow's video. So, yeah. So right now, I don't know where the stock price is going. I'll be honest, but this European news, I'm hoping that it just spikes like crazy. Since the exchange is still new, we still don't have a charting perspective on it. But yeah. Anyways, I would appreciate a thumbs up for this video. If you don't like it, you can also give me a thumbs down. So anyways, I got some big news of my own. Your order has now been filled. Very good news. Your order has been processed and will be shipped out Monday. Track your package with a button below. It's on its way. So yeah, I got my email, I got my order, and hopefully sometime next week I can do an unboxing and a taste test video on all the products that are on the Very Good Butcher's website. Yeah, anyways, let's go to the Twitter. I wanted to show you something that's pretty funny. I don't know, it's funny, but it's kind of cool that, maybe I just got lucky and I guessed it and they were gonna call it anyways, but I said, you know, this is hot dogs because it looked like hot dogs. And now that we go onto the individual website, we can see hot dogs, very good dogs, sold out already, and it just got listed in like not too long ago. I saw it, I could have bought some, but I missed my chance, and now I have to wait. But as we can see, you know, the roast beef still sold out, the ribs are still sold out, the steaks are still sold out, and the bacon is sold out. Anything that is really good, like any kind of good meat, they're sold out. So I mean, I haven't seen them back in stock, like individual items. Kind of a little pissed off about that because I want to try the roast beef and the bacon, and it's probably gonna be a while before it comes back into stock. Like I don't know when, but yeah, I'm disappointed. It sucks. But I wish it was back in stock so I can try it. But I'm still very excited about the package I'm getting soon. That's going to arrive soon. I can't wait to taste test everything and give you guys a review of my taste test. I'll get other people to come too, so it's just not me taste testing. Now let's talk about Afria. Afria after hours is up 31 cents, 5.04%. Afria literally went from, you know, $5 to $6.05 in 2 days. So that's like a 20% rally in 2 days. That's pretty big rally in my opinion. Will this continue? I don't know. At the end of the day, it is overbought right now. And then earnings could come around and it can just keep going up. And then eventually it'll collapse back down. But you know, and do a correction, but for now it's bullish and it's gonna keep going up. And if earnings are good, then you know, I think the stock price will keep going up. But we'll see though. While Aurora is down, I don't know. We'll see what happens with Aurora. You know, like I said, I believe that Aurora will go up if Afria earnings is bad, and Aurora will go up if Afria earnings are good. But if Afria earnings are like super awesome, like out of this world, mind-blowing awesome, Aurora might drop, because then everyone would be assuming that Afria stole Aurora's market share, and Aurora's gonna do horrible. So you know, we'll see what happens, but I'm thinking Afria will do okay, and I think Aurora will go up after Afria reports earnings, but we'll see. Canopy Growth also up after hours because of Afria, up 63 cents, 3.71%. Kron also up 3 cents after hours. Same with Tilray. How about like smaller players like OGI? What's OGI doing? OGI is down, and Hexo is up a penny. So yeah, that's what you get. Anyways, Tesla is up $5.97. Not too much to say about that. Tesla, like I said, big money determines where Tesla's value is at, and obviously they don't want to drop the stock price. So short sellers, tough luck. Sorry, I thought you would have had a good breathing room, but big money just doesn't want to drop Tesla stock right now. So Tesla will continue to rally. Electromag solo is very depressing for me, but you know what? I have to live with it because I decided not to sell. I decided to gamble that the stock will pop, and it's been falling. So that's just my reality. But I also gotta remind you, the stock can easily move back to the upside in a very short amount of time, because if you remember, the stock was trading at $2.33 in 3 days, like July 2nd, and then over the weekend, July 6th. In 3 days, the stock went up, went to like $6 US. So this stock can easily bounce back to $6. It just needs the proper news. Right now, it's going to keep going down. I don't know how low it will go. Like, I seriously don't. I think they need some kind of catalyst for the stock to move up. They need to announce deliveries of their cars. They need to announce their production numbers. They need to do some kind of press release, some kind of big press release to prop the stock up. That's what management needs to do. They're not ready with the press release yet, so we have to. At the end of the day, we're gonna have to wait, and the lower it goes, in my opinion, only the lower it goes. Like, I'm waiting until it goes back to $2.30. If it goes back to $2.30, I think that is just a steal of an opportunity at $2.30. And I'm buying more. I'm buying more at $2.30. Will it go down to $2.30? I have no idea. I hope so. Electromag, they are having, like, this is a article. They are having a live presentation on August 5th, 2020 at 2 p.m. Eastern and 11 a.m. Pacific time. So this will be a very interesting day. I think, this could be like a mini catalyst itself, unless they have some kind of press release. This thing might just pop the stock for like good 5-10% and then it'll pull back again. We need some massive catalyst for Solo to go up to the upside in a big way, and we have to wait till management gives it to us. And for the meantime, I think Solo stock is going to head down and down and down. And there's a chance we could see this thing in the 250s. And at 250s, I think it's a no-brainer. I mean, it could go to $1. Absolutely. The stock can do anything at the end of the day. Anything is possible in this stock. If it goes to $1, you're looking at, like a 600% return on investment if it ever pops back to $6. So, this is a no-brainer at $1. The company's market cap would be like almost 100% of the company at $1, because $1, that's like a $60 million market cap. At that point, I would advise the company to buy back some stock. Why not, right? They have $51 million on the balance sheet. They should, if the stock goes to $1, they should just buy some more stock back. I don't think it'll go to $1, but anything is possible in the stock market. We'll see what happens. Big money determines where the stock price go. Maybe they're trying to shake out some people by bringing the stock price down as low as possible to make it scary. I've already made up my mind. I'm going to hold this stock for better or worse. I'm going to hold for it. And I'm going to hope that management executes, give out good news, and the stock gets pumped up again by big money. Because I don't think retail investors have the ability to pump up the stock. I think it's big money. So when big money comes back, it'll go back up. So we'll see what happens. And then when big money comes back, day traders come in, and that huge amount of volume will happen again, and the stock will easily get pumped back up to $6. Stocks can move up very fast in a very short amount of time. That's how the market works. It's crazy, but that's just how the market works sometimes. Just look at Workhorse, right? WHKS, look at Workhorse. Like, the stock was just trading at like $2 in May, and then like around June it was at $4, and then from June to the beginning of, like, near the end of June, like the middle of June to the beginning of July, the stock went all the way up to $21 US. Obviously, there is some big money involved in pumping up Workhorse. Retail investors can't do that. No, that's impossible. Retail investors are too greedy to pump up stocks like that. And for it to maintain its stock price at $15.73 without crashing, that's still pretty good. I mean, it could crash back down to $2. That's you cannot take that out of possibility. Will it happen? Probably not, because ARK Invest would scoop the shit, ARK Invest would scoop a lot of the stock up at $2.48, because they already have a position in Workhorse, and they are determined to hold Workhorse for the long term. And if the stock goes down at $2.48, it'd be a no-brainer for them to buy more stock. To me, that only makes sense. So, could it happen? Absolutely. Anyways, and then the pre-market right now, everything is green. Tomorrow looks like another green day. The gold is just going up so massively. Gold is almost at $2,000. $2,000. That's insane. Silver is up $26. It's insane how much gold is going up right now. Let's look at the gold stock after hours. Gold is up another 1.47%. I think we're going to do blue skies for gold, and I think we're gonna see like over $50 on gold on gold in the near future here. But that's just my opinion. We'll see if that happens. But anyways, this is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.